Ya sanibonani wengane zakwethu, hayibo icala lembuli ingubo lingene esivuka ngazo namhlanje. Sivuka ngokuthi isangoma esidumile sibushiwe namhlanje eGoli ngabo 11 ebusuku. Kuthiwa ke lesangoma lesi sidumile lesi asebesaba nokumention igama laso, kodwa sesimentioniwe ke phela kuma sheet asenkantolo. Kuthiwa hayingeni, ayibo mina ngisaba nokuyisho le ndaba ngoba manje yasabeka ubosheli assault case eyenzeka eminyakeni e4 edlule, kodwa futhi ubefunakala for amacala emeda, hayi 1 hayi 2 hayi 3 shembe lama meda case awu5. Nkosi uNkulunkulu sishembe uNkulunkulu wami, damn it. Ayo ugogo Maweni akusho mina shembe uNkulunkulu wami, akusho mina Nkosi yami, akusho mina, kusho lokho kubhalwe la phansi. Nabona nakhe kuthiwa ugogo Maweni child, uyabona. Hey, sometimes unginaka indaba zakhe emhlabeni kuyasiza. Nginesiqiniseko sokuthi ugogo Maweni ngabe akaboshiwe namhlanje. Uma kungukuthi akazange athenge iphathi kaPhiwe eXabane noDominic eXabane nogogo Maweni, amena eXabane lomunye lokuhluku ugogo Sikhotheni. Shembe uNkulunkulu, lama meda case kade ezitshiwe shuthi ekhokhela lowo, kodwa ayibo akusho mina futhi njalo mina ngiqale manje kahle ngisho into eshiwoyo. Kuthiwa akusho mina, kuthiwa according to social media, according to Gogo Sikhotheni owangena ku live wakhuluma nama victims abathi bona bangabantu bemndeni imsusulwa leyo eyashonelwa. For instance, the other lady was known kwi-show and she was Mamenu's best friend. Uthi that day kubulawa indoda yakhe, uMaweni wamfonela wathi hamba uyovula igate ngine present yakho. Nange thugele kanti nawayegeza usugela, I was taking a shower, so I told my husband, please open the gate, Maweni has something for me. Mengabe vula igate there was wahlangabezwa ama-bullet, husband was shown. Of which for me I think that was stupid of them also, because manje sebebonile phela ukuthi angithi the instruction should say hambe yobulala intombazane, mase kuphuma umuntu wesilisa, why are you killing that person? Ngoba in that way there was not going to be any trace. Do you get me? Yeah, actually there was not going to be any trace, because njengoba manje sebebulala lo man ungizwe, there's not going to be any trace, because girl was going to be alive, the husband was still going to be alive, and then two bebengeke bakhiphe ibham mhlambe kwakusongumele nje at least ngoba sebefikile ke bavele nje bathi awu siyakubingelela yabo sawubona awu lento lesiphathisiwa yikho la, bahambe babezosala be confused. Nobody was going to know about any matter, but now the person who's babedom, now the person wabula into engayazi, then lo sell you know sell the information ukuthi dude, I just got a message from my friend and then my husband just got, you know what a coincidence. And then two, ugogo Maweni wangaba hlakaniphe khanda. You know what happened? Apparently the lady says she tried to call Maweni and then she was blocked, and all of that. What does that mean? But then again, for still the last phone call and the killing, kwakuzobonakala ukuthi umuntu ogcina umfonele unless umfonele nge-wrong number ke ngenumber hey mina aza ngakhathazeka athi le daba ihlakele lapha yo. Then lo munye washona ulona kade uhlaka lakhe ongathi ufuna ukuba sitabanyana ugogo Mamba, kuthiwa yena washona ngoba ubezazi imfihlo zakhe usisters lona wasiyamdubula. Then omunye washona uGuy owekade eyithwasana laye lwaso siyachaza uthi bagcina bejola noGuy bathi uyavela lapha kwizangoma zodumo. Guy behlupha ke isangoma emthwasisa, kodwa hayi mina kusho mina allergy hayi kodwa anyway no serious not. So yeah, anyway zonke lezi ndaba zophume after eXabane noGogo Sikhotheni. It was just it's too late now for ukuxolelana abakwenzile ngoba bathelelana amanzi last week. Nogogo Ndini lo wavuma ngoba sho nawe bebona ukuthi but now the thing is this thing is all over. Ayo ayiqala liyakwazi ukubo kwalo Nkosi yami. Meda 5 uyibolele ejele phela lo muntu. Anyway, so ke gogo maweni ke apparently uboshiwe izolo ebusuku, and yes the Monde area is wehlala khona kuthiwa ke kodwa katholakala ngagcina ethola ngazi koMonde lapho uzovela enkantolo namhlanje oyovela enkantolo namhlanje kusho manje sifanele sigijime siya Randburg thina siyohlala lapha sheme nkulunkulu so uzovela enkantolo ke namhlanje. Twitter is buzzing with this news. She was arrested ebusuku, and I just don't know how Gogo Skhotheni is feeling right now, because apparently they tried to make it up and bazama ukuthi baxolelane, but ke look what is happening right now. But then again, how is Dominic feeling like khona, because bangeni party that had nothing to do with her. I think even as she kept quiet after fighting Skhotheni athule, this was not going to happen, because Ugeli felt so good to know this woman has been following me so much about umntanami, let me expose, Alright, anyway, do subscribe on the channel until sisalinda ama developments okushona wala ma case ukuthi uyanqatshelwa ibail noma cabange khona bese ngisejele sheme nkulunkulu. Abanye ke babe basoleke bathi no husband wakhe ngoba umZulu bathi ukuthunyelwa. I don't think so. Mhlambe phela angasupport unkosikazi wakhe kodwa subscribe bani la.